What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price updates, price prediction on this crypto called Propy, which has been gaining a decent amount of value guys in the last 24 hours. As you can see, 32% up, making it just about $1.24, and it was fluctuating around the 94-95 cents target for most of the day earlier yesterday and today, and then peaked up in value, hitting about, let's have a look here, about 118, dropped back down, and right now pumping back up in value. So where is this crypto heading to? Is it too late to buy? Is it a good time to invest? Is it a good time to sell? That's what we're going to be looking at into today, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, as well as giving you guys my predictions and my takes over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. What can you expect from Propy, and how high and how low can it go? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry covering, follow me on Instagram, link to that will be in the description box down below. So over the last hour itself, managed to gain just over 4% in value, which is quite a bit, especially when it's within just an hour. Over the last day, massive 36%, we can see it peaked up, dropped back down, and right now peaking back up. Over the week 25%, and over the month 25% down. So weekly one 25% up, monthly one 25% down, and we all know why. It's obviously because of the major crypto crash that took place about 3.5 to 4 weeks ago. Major drop here, dropping all the way down to 78 cents, 75 cents even, and then recovered a little bit, dropped back down, and right now slowly starting to recover. So going into the coin market cap website, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 178%, making it just about $2.1 million. Again, I am expecting the trading volume to go even higher than what is at the moment because of the peak that's taking place right now. More and more people will be investing into it. So yeah, I just refreshed the page and it's gone up to 188 now, so 188%. So yeah, I'm expecting it to go even higher and higher over the coming hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But before that, I'm going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we have also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Propy at $1.04. However, it is trading at a much higher value at $1.30 guys, so it's performing very well and much better than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking a little bit bullish, going in a positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, as you can clearly see. The only reason for that, I would say, is because of the major increase that's just taken place today and over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, from my take guys, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value, and we can already see it dropping in value. As you can see, it went from about $1.30 to about $1.25 right now. Yes, it is going to be volatile. We are going to see it go up and down, but the overall outcome towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting it to slightly take a dip, potentially going below the $1.20 target. So fluctuating between 115 and 120 is what I'm expecting towards the end of the day. Don't get me wrong, it may pump up to about 130, even 140 in between that time, but more or less it's going to drop back down to around this current price range. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again the chart is looking very steep in a bullish direction, and again the same reason applies, is because of the major increase that's just taken place. The graph thinks is going to keep pumping. However, over the coming days, so in this case I'm talking about towards the end of next week, I am expecting it to take a little step back, drop back down in value, and fluctuate around the $1 mark, $1 to $1.10, somewhere in between. That price target is what I'm expecting towards the end of next week. So again, we are going to see green days, we are going to see red days. It's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome is what matters, which in this case is more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks. Now we're looking much more realistic. They're not looking that steep. So the blue line and the orange line are still going in a positive direction. However, they are not looking too steep as the previous one. So over the next few weeks, so in this case, I'm talking about mid-July to late July, we should expect an overall increase in value on Propy, potentially going to about 160 to 180, somewhere around there. However, if there are any major changes or major updates that can have a potential impact on the value of this crypto, either in a positive or negative way, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So now that we've done our price prediction, I'm going to get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But before I do that, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are interested in what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling. All you guys need to do is simply click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone. So make sure you subscribe as soon as possible before it all goes. And also, don't worry guys, for those of you first 100 people who join for $14.99, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member, and it will never go up to $29.99. So what do you get for this group chat subscription? You basically get to know what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, and I'll give you a reason as to why I'm investing into it. And I use several tricks as well when I'm investing into these cryptos. And you also get to know the daily price updates and predictions on specific cryptos like Bitcoin, looking at what to expect that specific day. Is it going in a positive direction? Is it negative? And the whole crypto market as well. And obviously, if you guys have any questions, any queries regarding any crypto, one analysis or anything, I will do that as well in that group chat. But again, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, once again, the link is in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently looking at the Fibonacci scale, and we have hit the green zone, guys. Yes, so the last time we were in the green zone was about, let's have a look, about 3 weeks ago. We dropped down in value and right now pumped back up into the green zone, and I'm expecting it to resist and potentially drop back down into the red zone over the coming hours, and sorry, not coming hours, coming days. Potentially later next week, I'm expecting us to drop back down into the red zone, but again, nothing major is expected as of yet. But yeah, I'm not expecting us to head anywhere up to the next resistance level, which is, let's have a look here, 184. Yeah, I'm not expecting any of that anytime soon. But if there are any major updates or major news, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Propy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Massive thank you to all of you guys. Keep supporting the channel and I'll keep giving back, and that is the motive. My next target is 100k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and let's try and hit 100k by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.